Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into DirecTV. DirecTV is an American direct broadcast satellite service provider based in California and Denver. If you have an account on DirecTV and you'd like to log into it online, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by clicking open any web browser and go to the address bar at the top and type in directv.com. Press enter and you'll find yourself in the official website of DirecTV. Now, once you end up here, go to My Account button at the top right and you should see an expanded menu popping out. If you don't have an account yet, start by creating a new one by clicking on Create Account. If you want to sign into one of your existing accounts, click on the Sign into My Account button. And on the next page, you'll end up in the Sign In area to DirecTV. Start by typing in your user ID into the first text box that appears. In case you don't remember your user ID, click on this link right here where it says Forgot User ID, follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll be able to look for your user ID in no time. After you're done typing in, head over to the next box and type in your password for your account. Also, make sure to type in the correct password every time you log into your account. You can double check your password by clicking on this show link right beside it, which will help you reveal your password. In case you've forgotten your password as well, you can click on this forgot password link and follow the instructions so that you can reset to a new password. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID so that next time you log into your account, you won't have to type it again, click on this box right here and leave it checked. But in case you don't want to do that since you are using a public or a shared device, make sure to uncheck this box before signing in. And finally, after everything's typed in correct, click on Sign In. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged into DirecTV account in no time. That is how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial video content again. Thank you for watching.